Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing along in the book. And so it looks like today we're doing puzzle number 107. If we start with this box here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. There's an 8 here. So 5, 8. For this row then, we're missing a 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 1 here, so this is our 2. That 4 makes this our 1 and 4. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. To finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 7, 8. Oh, and the 6 and 7 there. So that means this is our 8, 7, 6. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 3, 2 and a 5 there. So this is our 3, 2, 5. That 3 makes this our 6 and 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 6, a 1 here, so 6, 8, and an 8 here, so 1, 6. So that means the only place our 8 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and a 1 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 1, and this our 4. So that 1 makes this our 6 and 1. For this box then, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're still missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row then, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box then, we're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this box then, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 there, so 3, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this box then, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That was a pretty quick one today, huh? All right, well, I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.